So we're about ready to remove some more of the header, and I pulled the face plate on, and you can see the damage is really bad. So just a word of the way I look at it, don't expose rot like this until you're ready to take care of it, even if you know it's there, which I did know this was here. I didn't know how bad exactly, but I had suspected it was pretty bad. But I didn't pull anything off, because once you pull it off, then everybody's going to see exactly how bad it is, and they're going to get very concerned. So I knew I couldn't deal with it, but now we're dealing with it. And today is actually the day that this is all coming out. And I suspect by tomorrow we're going to have this all new wood in here. We have it propped up here, but the corner is also supported, and we're supported here and down through. So I don't think we have to come all the way over to here. It does look like we have to come halfway over about. But we're going to remove all this, put all new in here, and then we'll light into that next.